Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to find the central angle. So the question says, what are the central angles of each of these equal sectors? So we're going to do two questions, this one and this one. So this one's pizza, obviously. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to count up how many equal sectors there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 equal sectors. Now remember that all of the central angles in a circle add up to 360 degrees. So if there are 8 equal sectors and we want to find out how many degrees each of them are, what we have to do is 360 divided by 8. So let's set up this division problem. To do 360 divided by 8, you set it up like this. 8 on the left, 360 inside the division symbol. Then we ask ourselves, can we put 8 into 3? No, so you put a 0. Can we put 8 into 36? Yes, we can. We can do that 4 times. So we're going to put a 4 up top. Then we do 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. So we put 32 underneath. And then we do 36 subtract 32. That gives me 4. Then I bring down the 0. Can 8 go into 40? Yes, it can. 5 times. 8 times 5 is 40. I subtract them and I get 0. So that means 360 divided by 8 is equal to 45. And that means that our answer is 45 degrees because each of these sectors have a central angle of 45 degrees. So you could go around 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45, blah, 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 all the way around, and you would get 360 degrees. Okay, so that's that first problem. Now let's do the second problem. What are the central angles of each of these equal sectors? So same idea, we're going to start by counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 equal sectors. So if I want to find what the central angle is, I'm going to have to do 360 divided by 5. So let's go ahead and set that up. So 5 goes on the left, 360 goes inside. Now, can 5 go into 3? No, so we put a 0. Can 5 go into 36? Yes, 7 times. 5 times 7 is 35, so I put that underneath, and then I do 36, subtract 35. That leaves me with 1. Then I bring down the 0, and that gives me 10. Can 5 go into 10? Yes, it can, twice. Then I do 5 times 2, that gives me 10. I subtract them, and I have 0. So that means 360 divided by 5 is 72. And my answer is 72 degrees. Okay, please try the questions in the next slide.